Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the Country Inn and Suites at Port Canaveral. This is a very popular hotel and you're about to see why. It's right very close to the port and it is a fairly nice hotel. I mean, not luxury or anything, but as you can see, it's a normal hotel and it has your normal things inside of the room. This is a double room, two beds. And it also has a refrigerator, which I'm going to show you right now, and a microwave. So if you're staying here for more than a day or two, you can also store a little bit of food in here to eat and whatnot. But there's also a breakfast area, which we'll talk about later, in this hotel. Now, this was an inexpensive, probably most inexpensive room in the hotel, and I had a wonderful view of the parking lot. As you can see, they have plenty of pillows and it's very comfortable, but the thing I liked most about this room is I could plug in my stuff everywhere. Okay, they had USB ports and regular plugs and plenty of light in this room, so that was a very good thing to have considering what I was trying to do, which was record. As you can see, is a spacious room. This veranda here has a nice sized TV on it and a bunch of large drawers, which I always appreciate because I, like most people, pack too much stuff for my cruise. And it has a really good secured lock on the door. Now let's look at this bathroom. It's a marble sink, which is nice. Had all of the little extra things that you would want. Nice sized tub with a shower, of course. I love a tub and shower combination. They had plenty of linen in here for us. We didn't really want for anything. Like I said, it was a pretty nice room. And this is a long view of it, so you can get an idea of the size. And the closet, which had an ironing board and iron. Now, here's something for you. We looked outside and to our surprise, there was a nice big pool and a hot tub outside. So that was pretty exciting. We decided that night to go down and get in the hot tub, so it was really nice. And as you can see, they have a grill and some other things down there. And let me take you to this under window so you can see the size of this pool. It's right outside of the breakfast area. And at the time that we went in there wasn't very many people, but there were still a few people in there. This right here was taken pretty early in the day when we first got there. I didn't get a chance to go to the breakfast because we had to leave out pretty early, but this is what it looks like, the breakfast area. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you can see future videos of hotels. Thank you.